Hey, let me show you how easily you can input the SIM card into your Redmi Note 13 Pro. So first of all, you have to prepare the SIM tool. You can find it in the box. And the SIM slot is located on the left side. So we have to input this item right here and then gently press on it. And if it doesn't work, just remove and repeat. There we go. And as you can see, now we can grab this SIM slot with our fingernails. And inside we can actually find input for the memory card, but also for the SIM card. So we have to input SIM card just right here, and we have to put it like this. In this exact position. Then to put this back into our smartphone, we have to gently put it inside and press with our finger like this. And it's finished right now. Please subscribe to my channel.